Are you ready? Hey, think you could tell us what to do? You think you could tell us what to wear?
I hear voices in my head, they counsel me, they understand, they talk to me. You got your rules and your religion, all designed to keep you safe. But when rules start getting broken, you start questioning your faith. I have a voice that is my savior, hates to love and loves to hate. I have a voice that has the knowledge and the power to your fate. I hear voices crying, I see heroes dying, I taste blood that's trying, I feel tensions rising. I hear voices in my head, they counsel me, they understand, they talk to me, they talk to me, they tell me things that I will do, they show me things I'll do to you, they talk to me. They talk to me. All the lawyers are defenseless, all the doctors are disease, and the preachers all sinners, and police just take the grease. All your judges, you are guilty, all the bosses I will fire, all your bankers will have losses, politicians all are liars. See darkness falling, I hear voices calling, I feel justice crawling, I see faith has fallen. I hear voices in my head, they counsel me, they understand, they talk to me, they talk to me.
Bow to the masters.